speak to Mr.
Speaking.
Hey, this is Todd Taylor. You submitted a property you were interested in selling, a motel, I think.
Offers are free, but time ain't.
Oh, yes.
You submitted to we do a lot of marketing through Google AdWords to find opportunities, and you submitted your property. And so I was following up with you to, number one, to see if it's still for sale.
It isn't, but it's not like on the marketing purpose. So, like, how the brokerage and all.
I got you. Yeah. I'm assuming you're the owner.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Great. If you got a moment, I'd love to just gather some general information about the property. Maybe we can create a win-win.
Sure.
All right. How many keys do you have?
This is 55.
55. Okay. What's your ADR right now?
It's right anywhere between 60 and 30.
And your occupancy?
That's about 60%, 50 or 60% at the moment.
What are your peak seasons?
Usually from February through August. But this year has been down economically, so can't really do anything on it. For hotel this year has been down about 30 to 40%.
I got you. Okay. Have you had any recent renovations on the property?
So when I took this property, I did a $250,000 renovation 2 years back.
Sorry? What did that mainly entail as far as those renovations?
It's like whole, it's inside out, like new furniture, bedding, and everything.
Okay, all right. As far as the roof, when was the last time it was replaced?
2 years back, yeah.
2 years. Okay. How are the units heated and cooled?
PTX.
Okay. How many stories is it? All right. How many housekeepers do you have on staff?
2.
2. Okay. All right. Okay. What price were you trying to get?
Putting it at 3.
Sir?
3 mil. 2 million.
All right. We always have to ask this, which is not needed, but we always have to ask, but that may be a preference of any owner. Any owner financing the seller finance is an option for you?
Owner finance is not an option at the moment. I mean, depends. If it's an owner finance, then it's going to be a major down payment.
Define major.
They're right around about 35 to 40% down payment.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Okay. So how far is that? I haven't looked up. How far is that from Atlanta, Griffin?
It's 20 minutes.
20 minutes. So it's Metro Atlanta for sure. Okay. How far are you from I-85? I think it's over in that area, right? Closer to that side of
I-85. It's
Same.
about 20 minutes.
Right.
yeah, 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Sorry?
Yeah, sorry.
Yep. All right. So I think I have enough information to start to do some further due diligence. I'm assuming this is the best number to reach you on.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Again, my name is Todd Taylor, and I'll probably follow back up with you next week. I'm actually located in Birmingham. I may drive over if it's okay with you in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, no problem. You're with the company or?
Yeah. My company is ROI Deals.
ROI deals are that. Gotcha. I mean, there is an investor who can turn this thing around in an apartment. That's a pretty good area to turn, and there's a lot of people.
Have you checked on what the would it have to be rezoned to do that if it was a conversion to apartments?
Yeah, they could do a conversion because there are some suites, and they're
There is an option to do conversion to apartment. There is a option to do a gas station in front of it because gas station is pretty far, like mile away.
Okay.
So I mean, there are a lot of opportunities with like major investment companies taking
So you're
this thing around entire opportunity.
so you're saying you have the acreage there to include a convenience store gas station.
The front. So I did ask in the city I was thinking about last year to put a little gas station and game machines and all. So because that will attract our local customers and they was open to it.
Okay.
Because offered a huge land that it could open like full pump stations. Okay, if you want. Not like a major QT or anything. It's just like a small gas station.
Understood. Okay. All right. Great info. Okay. Well, I'll follow up with you, and I appreciate you giving me some time today.
No worries. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.